Unexpected encounters between police and wild animals have been fully captured on Bodycam. From bears and alligators to some of the most dangerous animals. You won't believe what happens next. Watch police versus wild animals. Bodycam captures everything.
Hey, go. Go. Hey, where do you live? Little goat guy. Hey, look at this. Look how cool this car is. Get in the car. Yeah, that's good. That's a good go. Go. Hey, go. Come here. No, 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 no. Come here.
If you come across an animal trapped like this, what do you think is the best course of action? Try to help it yourself or call for rescue services immediately. If you saw a 9-foot alligator near your house, what would you do first? Seeing the alligator being put onto the truck is both tense and impressive, and it shows the professionalism of the response team.
Push the gator, not the trapper. Watch that tail. Watch that head. Watch the head. Push.
Luckily, it was pulled out in time. A few minutes later, and it probably wouldn't have been saved. Seeing it run off, you have to admit it's fast and strong. It wouldn't be easy to catch. In Florida, you really never know who your neighbors might be today. If this one ran onto a highway, everyone would have to swerve immediately. It's extremely dangerous.
Oh! Easy.
Oh,
Easy.
oh,
Easy.
oh,
Easy.
oh.
Grab the rope. 1, 2, 3. Pull. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God. Seeing that tiny baby deer nestled in the officer's arms is absolutely heart-melting. The way he approached and gently held the baby deer shows that he truly cares about animals.
Come on. Come on.
There we go.
Got him?
He's out. He's just tired.
This bear will probably think twice. From now on, it won't be trying to act like a raccoon and climb things anymore.
Yeah, hold on to him. Hold on to him. Get him.
You're no cowboy.
I am not a cowboy. Come on. All right. Move on.
An in-ground swimming pool. It's in distress, and we're calling animal control.
313 is clear. I'm checking it out.
12831. Come on.
That's truly a hallmark of areas near forests and mountains. Anything can happen. It really seems like, in this world, everyone ends up being at the service of His Majesty, and the police officers are no exception. I've been playing the role of an extra for days now. I'm exhausted. Let me sneak off and start celebrating Christmas a bit early. Why are you guys being so strict? You're casually walking on the sidewalk when you suddenly see a bull charging full speed towards you, with police sirens blaring right behind it at that point. The only option is to jump into a tree for cover. That's truly a botched rescue attempt.
Come here.
This is we have a pig on the loose.
This suspect is both slippery and fast, causing chaos all over the road while trying to escape. This four-legged suspect is incredibly skilled at parkour, jumping from yard to yard and causing chaos throughout the neighborhood. Don't let its massive size fool you. This cow can weave and swerve on the highway surprisingly well. The officers chasing it are almost out of breath. When you try to make a dramatic prison break but end up choosing US 131 as your stage.
Oh!
Times have changed. Used to be police cars chasing people with sirens blaring. Now it's a flock of wild turkeys chasing them down the road. These are some of the most intense and unbelievable moments between police and wild animals captured on camera. If you enjoy realistic body cam videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next episodes.